Unraveling the meanings of pegged out. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, pegged out. Whether you're an English learner looking to expand your vocabulary or a language enthusiast curious about English idioms, you're in the right place. We'll uncover the different contexts in which this phrase can be used and some examples to help you understand how to use it in conversation. So, let's dive in and get a good grip on what pegged out means. Before we explore the figurative use of pegged out, let's start with the basics. Literally speaking, pegging out refers to using pegs to secure something to the ground. Pegs are small stakes or pins used for holding things in place. This term is often associated with setting up tents when camping or hanging clothes to dry. For instance, we pegged out the tent before the wind picked up. She spent the morning pegging out laundry in the sunshine. The phrase, pegged out, can also be slang, and its meaning shifts dramatically from its literal use. In slang, to peg out means to die or to expire. This expression is somewhat informal and can be considered a bit blunt or insensitive in certain situations. It's derived from the idea of pegging as reaching the end or a finality, like a peg marking the end point in a game. Examples of this use include, "I just heard that the old oak tree in the square has finally pegged out after the storm. There's a rumor that the fish in the lake have pegged out due to pollution." Understanding the phrase, pegged out, highlights the importance of context in the English language. The same words can have very different meanings depending on how they're used. Always pay attention to the conversation's tone and the speaker's intent to figure out the correct meaning of a phrase like this. Remember, using pegged out in conversation requires sensitivity to the situation and the company you are in, as some may find its use in reference to death inappropriate. When learning idiomatic expressions, it's easy to make mistakes. Here's how to avoid them with pegged out. Don't use pegged out in formal situations. It's best suited for casual conversations. Be cautious not to offend anyone when using it to refer to death. Make sure you are completely clear on the context to avoid misunderstandings. To get comfortable with the phrase, pegged out, try creating your own sentences. Think about the context in which you would use the literal versus the slang meaning. And if you're unsure, practice with a friend or language tutor to gain confidence. And that's a wrap on pegged out. I hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of this versatile phrase for you. Remember, language learning is all about discovery, practice, and having a bit of fun with new expressions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English language tips and tricks. Happy learning!